Hello everyone, I am Ume and today I am in Beijing Institute of Technology. Today's festival about Qing Ming festival. If you don't know about Qing Ming festival, just follow me. I am going to show you Qing Ming festival. Let's go. 不要去这里。对。什么？
门口左转。
门口左转。
啊，这里过不了，这里过不去。
哦。
门口左转，然后再转到那边去。
谢谢，
那里
谢谢
有条路。
谢谢，谢谢。我学习中文在这里。
你在哪个大学啊？
北理工大学。
哦，北理工大学啊。
对。
哦，怪不得你中文说的好好哦。
谢谢，谢谢。
像讲这么流利的。
谢谢。
基本上都是可以交流的相当好了。我这里走一条路，他们有人过去爬山。这里走过去。
这里。
啊，那个是烈士公园来的哦。
哦，我知道。谢谢，谢谢，谢谢。
I got lost here and then a Chinese girl helped me to find the right way. The road she showed me led directly to cemetery. Now I have entered a cemetery and you can see how clean and beautiful place. Now I came here and you can see here a structure, beautiful structure. It's amazing. And in front of me is someone's grave. You can see here some beautiful flower placed here to present him. There are some drinks you can see and some fruits and also some people came here. You can see here this kid is so beautiful, so handsome, so cute, and he tried to talk with me and it's okay. So I'm going to up and I try to show you some things others. And now I just came here. There are graves and people have come here to celebrate the Qingming festival. As you can see, flowers have been placed here and there are also candies, sweets. Just look here, design of these graves. Now this is other side. You can see the flowers and food and this grave structure, cleaning and everything. You can see here. Over here there are candies and you can see some plates and some fruits like bananas, apple and candies. You can also see there some other things like wine and cigarette. And I am just looking here graves beside the graves and you can see this is what I don't know about this, maybe for fragrance, yeah, and someone put just cigarette here, so it's okay, no problem. Here there are many foods someone just kept here, so much food placed here, and candles are still burning here. You can see these candles still burning here and some wine and tomatoes. Look here, amazing. This is Chinese culture. Now I came here, you can see some characters written here, probably names and messages or something over there. I met other Chinese family and I just you can see a little girl have some injury and there are some stories. He is just reading that stories and they are just explaining me about that story. Look at here, and these are other graves, maybe some soldiers, young military men, and this area is so clean and like a structure of graves so amazing. And also they kept picture and look at here, some people just worshipping or some saluting that graves. So it was like short video. I just show you Qingming festival so you can understand Qingming festival now better. And now it's okay, I am just going to go out. So it was Chinese Qingming festival. I like it so much because this is just remembering for their ancestors who died. So see you, bye bye.